everybody, it's me, Becky, Youth Services Librarian here at the Longview Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make our all ages craft book turkey. What you'll need to make your book turkey is your craft pack, which you can pick up in library drive-thru or inside the library at the lower floor desk, and from home a pair of scissors and some glue, like this white glue. Inside your craft packet you'll get a brown piece of cardstock that you'll use to make the turkey's head, a red piece of paper for the wattle, and an old book that's going to be the base of your turkey. I know for some people it can be really difficult to make a craft out of a book. Hopefully you'll be picking a book that you wouldn't otherwise want to read. But if you do want to read it, just read it first and then make your craft. This book is called On a Clear Day You Can See Yourself. It's an old self-help book, and I'm not interested in reading it, so I'm just going to make my book turkey. So I've already started the first couple of pages here, and they will all have the same fold pattern. You'll take one page, give it a really good crease on the spine, and fold it in so that the outside edge is folded into the inside spine of the book, and crease that there. Then you'll take this corner and make a dog ear so that this edge folds all the way into the inside like that. And then you'll take from this corner to this corner, and you'll want to fold along that invisible line by taking this up and folding it like this. And you'll do the same thing to every single page in your book. After you've made all your folds on your turkey, it'll have this full round look like this. This is why you'd want to use a book that was like 150 to 250 pages. If it's longer, it'll start getting really difficult. So if you want to make another one or do your own kind of book folding after you've done this one, you want to make sure that not to use too long of a book. I then cut the cover out around the shape of the folded pages so that it looks like this. If you like to have like the open book look where it's like the turkey sitting inside of an open book, you don't have to cut the cover off. It's just your preference. Now we can just embellish our turkey. I took this cardstock that came in my craft packet and just sketched out a turkey head shape and then cut it out with scissors. And I did the same thing with this wattle. Actually what I did is after I cut this shape out, I was left with like a little shadow shape, and then I used that to get the size right when I cut out the wattle. And then I just glued the wattle to the head and the head to the front of my book, and you get this very nice turkey. You can do lots of other things to it too. If you wanted to sketch more of a turkey shape or use paper you have at home to make like a beak or eyes, or even add Google eyes, you could do that. You could also use more paper from a book or a newspaper or construction paper to make a higher fan tail on the back if you wanted to do that too. So there's lots of ways that you could make your book turkey your own. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy making your own book turkey. Don't forget to pick up your craft packet in our library drive-thru or inside the library at the lower floor desk. And I hope you all have a lovely Thanksgiving holiday.